What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rome3hundred. I'm back again with another video. Yes, but this isn't a fragrance video. What I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys my room, do a little room tour. I really don't show too many people the room, but I do my filming in there. I edit my fragrance videos and also my comedy videos in there. So I wanted to show y'all what my new setup looks like because I got some new things in there. So without further ado, follow me. And don't mind the little posters you see on the wall. We try to teach our kids Spanish. Well, my wife is, so that's why you see all these things on the wall. All right, so come inside. Welcome to my man cave, aka the parents' lounge. All right, so we're gonna start over here. On my wall right there, you can see some of my medals from track and field. Also some of my football plaques and trophies that I got when I played sports all through Pee-wee all the way up to college. Just wanted to put it out there to show my kids that, you know, work hard at something you get rewarded for it. If you slide over here, this is kind of part of my new setup. My kids are really into remote control cars, and when I was younger, I always wanted remote control cars, but I wasn't able to afford it. So I got a decent amount of cars. We got these four. These I wanted to put up here as a display, and also some of the video games I play, because I'm a big gamer, as you will see very soon. Especially love that purple one. That one right there is a beast. It is fast, very fast. Some classic PlayStation video games, also some PC video games up there also. Moving right along, show you guys my new PC gaming setup. This is where I do a lot of my editing for both fragrances, and also I do for my comedy show. And as you guys see, I do some gaming also. So check out the new headset. I got a Corsair headset, wireless headset. I got pretty much all my peripherals of Corsair. I got Corsair keyboard and Corsair wireless mouse. I got a gaming mouse pad that is actually a LED mouse pad. My 27-inch Samsung TV, I actually gotta upgrade that. And my beautiful, amazing new PC tower case. I got a graphics card in there. This is the 1660. I'm actually gonna upgrade that very soon. I have water cooling in there, the AMD processor, over I think a gig, what is it, there's a lot of stuff in there, but it's a beautiful PC, strong enough to do my editing, also for gaming. If you see up on the walls, I got my favorite superhero character up on the wall. That is Incredible Hulk. He is one of, if not my favorite superhero character, one of my favorite superhero characters. This is one of my art pieces that I actually did when I was in college. It was the collage of, I guess you could say abstract kind of collage of Angelina Jolie. That it was actually a project and also part of me passing the course. So I had to, you know, do the whole framing, all that. Everything was done by me. I didn't have any help. I guess I had to purchase the pieces, but that was part of the process, and that's something that I'm very proud of, because that was literally the hardest thing I've ever had to draw. Next we have here is kind of my little setup where you see a lot of the books that go along with my fragrance journey, from Dream House of Curio to the infamous Playboy 50 years, the cartoon, the comic books. You guys, if you watch my Instagram channel, you've seen a lot of me put those controversy pictures up with my fragrance of the day. If you look up at the top here, that's where my passion is, music. I love vinyl, I love high-end audio, I love everything about just music in general. My collection right here is growing, and this is a little display I have up top for that collection. But yeah, if fragrance is my second love, music is my first. All right guys, so now we're gonna take a look at my fragrance collection. Yes, I do have swords, Japanese katana, ninja blades. I have a love for that culture because I took Kung Fu for a long time. So Chinese Kung Fu, Japanese sword fighting are things that I truly enjoy. So I have a lot of their swords. Fragrances right here. You guys see my collection. This is how I store some of my fragrances. Some that are near and dear to my heart. It's the infamous Bodicea the Victorious collection. And my rest of my vinyl collection that's still growing. Another katana, like I said, love the swords. Here are some of my beautiful fragrances. Sneak peek of one of those right there for y'all. My fragrance collection is growing. I've been collecting for almost a decade now, but you guys can see it. Try to do a little bit different with the display this time. I truly love fragrances. These are my designers down here. Man, love this stuff. And last but not least, this is some of my CD collection. I have way more CDs than I have vinyl, I guess because I've been collecting those longer. But yeah, that's right, that's right. So yeah, this is just, I guess, a room tour. I think that's pretty much it. I wanted to show you guys what my room looked like. It's not a huge room, but this is just my little sanctuary to get away and have, you know, a peace of mind when I, you know, just want to relax and enjoy my love of fragrances or my love of video games. And, you know, this is a room that I do that in. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little tour, my little room. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. My next review is coming up very soon, so look out for that. And I got some bangers for this fall and this winter, so stay tuned for that. Also got some collaborations coming. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Until next time, guys, like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Peace.